Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level in your Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, ensure your Giulia is parked on a level surface to get an accurate reading. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down for at least 10 minutes after driving. This allows the oil to settle back into the oil pan. Once cooled, locate the bright yellow dipstick handle, usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This preparation ensures you get the most reliable measurement. Now let's get to the actual check. Carefully pull the yellow dipstick out of its tube. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the dipstick. This step is essential for an accurate second reading. Once clean, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Then, pull it out one more time to observe the oil level clearly. When you examine the dipstick, you'll notice two distinct marks, typically a lower and an upper line or dots. These indicate the minimum and maximum safe oil levels for your Giulia. Your oil level should ideally be somewhere between these two marks. If the oil is below the lower mark, it's time to add a small amount of the correct type of engine oil. Avoid overfilling, as this can also cause issues. If you need to add oil, do so slowly, pouring in small increments and rechecking the dipstick after each addition. This prevents overfilling, which can be just as detrimental as having too little oil. Always refer to your Alfa Romeo Giulia's owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity recommendations. Regular oil checks are a simple yet vital part of maintaining your vehicle's health. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Keeping your engine properly lubricated ensures smooth performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.